Up until today, one of the fanciest things you could get for your Nintendo Switch was a case or different colored Joy-Cons. But the game has changed and we have something that is practical and is useful. Here comes GENKI, something new in the market that was released in a Kickstarter, and I received it today. This is a nice accessory because with this you are able to use your Bluetooth headset without worrying about carrying extra cable to connect it to the audio jack. This is a simple gadget that can solve a lot of issues, but is it gonna work? Let's find out.
3, 2, 1.
A couple of weeks ago, I saw a video about this company from actually not one but many YouTubers out there that there is a new device coming out and it's called GENKI. It is supposedly a USB-C adapter that gets connected to your Nintendo Switch, the bottom port, and with this little adapter you are able to connect any type of Bluetooth headphone, regardless if you have, like me, the Bose QC, or if you have AirPods or the Bose actual Bluetooth headphones, or whatever you have connected to your Nintendo Switch without using wires. And personally, I was tired of carrying this around and then taking it out all the time, plugging it in. I mean, that was the whole case, that was the whole point that I got Bluetooth headphone, to not deal with cables. So the only reason that I kept that cable was to connect my headphones to my Nintendo Switch until I saw this. So this is pretty much a really nice accessory that is not gonna burn your device like other Nintendo accessories that they kill your Switch. This is actually made for Switch. It is high quality, it is durable, and let's find out what it comes with. So first, when I got it, I was like, who sent me a Nintendo game? I never purchased a Nintendo Switch game because I usually buy all my games online, and when I got this I was a little surprised, but then I saw the picture and I clicked. I made this order a long time ago and I kind of forgot about it, but when it came and I opened it, and I was surprised. So when you open the case, this is what it looks like. You have a couple of cartridges for, I believe, Nintendo Switch's game that you could put in. You have a couple of slots for the accessories. If you get different adapters, you could put it in there. I just got the adapter because I don't use my Switch in a dock mode. I never use it in a dock mode. If I'm gonna use something in a dock mode, it's my PlayStation or my Xbox. I usually only play with my Nintendo Switch. Actually, not usually. I all the time play with my Nintendo Switch when I'm on the go. So I didn't think that would be necessary to buy. There's two other items in there. One is this really cool sticker. Am I in focus? Yeah, this is one of the items that is inside included. Cool sticker, and you have their company logo. If you like to represent them, you could just slap it on the back of your Nintendo Switch. Don't like that one, but I think this is a cool little sticker. So let's peel it off, put it on our Switch. This resembles my Nintendo Switch. It is small, you don't have to put a battery in it, and you could still charge your Nintendo Switch while you have the adapter on. So this is something nice, and it actually looks really nice. It looks like, is it in focus? It actually looks really nice. It is small, it is tiny. I like this different color that represents your Joy-Cons. So let's put it to the test. When you actually put it inside, this is small, this is discreet, this is minimalistic, and I rather have this on while playing my Nintendo Switch than to have something else on. So I have my actual Bose QC headphones, and I'm gonna turn them on, put them on. Batteries is 100%. Connected at connected to my iPhone, so we don't want it to be connected to our iPhone. So let me press this. It is connected. It was that easy. So pretty much you put it on and you press the button for 3 seconds, and then you put your headphone on a pairing mode, and that's it. That's it. So let's try this. Let's see if there is any delay. Okay, I'm super surprised with the quality of sound that you can get out of this. This is extremely nice. I don't see any latency. The quality of sound is actually really good. It's just like being connected to the actual audio, so I don't have any problem. It's not a good time to play this game, but I honestly really enjoy it. One thing that I did before was take the sticker off. Didn't like it as much. I like it plain, but it was nice. Nice to have this sticker. One thing that I really like is that it's really small. It's really handy. You could connect up to 2 headphones to this and play with your friends simultaneously at the same time. And while listening to YouTube, this is the best representation of seeing if there is latency into the audio. It was quite a par. There was no delay on the videos, and then you could simply put it inside. And if you are wondering what case I'm using from my Nintendo Switch, this is the Waterful design case. It is a little on a pricey point, but I think it's worth it because it looks just damn good. Anyway, quick video shout out to GENKI, because this is an awesome device. Really happy that I have it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know if you guys like something like this, or it's pointless to you.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.